Once you dehydrate your first pineapple, you'll wonder why you haven't invested in the Joule oven sooner. The Dehydrate function uses the Element IQ system to combine low and stable heat with maximized airflow to evenly dry out foods without overcooking. From fruits to vegetables and even meat for your favorite type of jerky, you can do it all in your Joule oven. For the best results, set your rack up to position 3 and insert the mesh basket. Today, I'm making dehydrated pineapple. First, slice the pineapple to your desired shape. Next, arrange the pieces with even spaces between. Use the confirm dial to set dehydrate on the LCD. You'll see a 12-hour minimum, but you can adjust the time up to 72 hours. To activate, hit the start-stop button and you'll hear. A great tip is to insert baking paper inside the mesh basket when working with foods of strong color to avoid staining. For a marinated jerky, catch any drips by inserting the roasting tray on the wire rack on position 8. You can use the convection button to choose between convection, super convection, or neither. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. Use the temperature and time dials to adjust the corresponding settings. You can start-stop the cycle at any time. The Rotate Remind feature can also be used with this function, meaning the oven will remind you to rotate your food so that it dehydrates more evenly. Once your dehydrate cycle is complete, the Joule oven will alert you. Carefully remove your perfectly dehydrated pineapple slices from the tray and allow them to cool before enjoying a healthy and sweet afternoon treat. Okay, now, if you've fallen in love with dehydrating, you may want to consider buying some extra baskets, which means you can make more food in one go. The Joule oven can fit a total of 4 air frying dehydrating baskets at one time. You can purchase these at Breville.com.